Shomodip Chakraborty, a joint venture of INE Highlights along with Indranil Sani Chakraborty. In his recent video, Indranil has mentioned all the details and his opinions about the boycott of Chinese products or Chinese food as the dogma which was very recurrent nowadays, boycott China. But is it really possible for us to boycott China? We have been indebted by China since time immemorial. And listen this carefully, that China has been one of the greatest civilizations that world ever has. So many things China has given us, from clothes to tea, from the cuisines. It has also rendered some of the important influences in the culture of India. But from the time of Opium War or equivalent to that, China has been our enemy, or they have made it so. Chinese products are the main source of economy in the Indian markets. All the goods, toys, including the small articles like video games that we had in our childhood, through the decades, China has been occupying the market of India. India was collaborating, but since the time when from the COVID-19 has started, people has a misconception towards China that this virus has affected only through Chinese negligence. A virus is a virus, according to me. It cannot do the thing that we want to do, but we can prevent it. Boycotting Chinese products and being Atmanirbhar is something what the ministry and the people of India are voicing for. But is that possible? My question to those who are boycotting Chinese products or are going to, are they really, or they are doing it for the advertisement that they are seeing in the FB and other social medias? Was this just that an imposter coming through? I don't know. China in the global scenario has made the most profit out of this COVID-19 issue by making masks, by making equipments that are needed for the markets, and also has one of the best countries to make such things. But recent attack on the Ladakh border has killed 20 soldiers, which is also indicating towards warfare that was there in the layers from the time of COVID-19. So, if we have to boycott a nation, it has to be a union of the other nations too. It has to be the voice for the other nations who are really wanting this. Posting such videos in social media or voicing for it would not be an option for getting through it. Me, Shomodip Chakraborty, again saying as a joint venture of INE Highlights that this is not possible over the night. We have to be very much determined, we have to be very much firm in our concept towards boycotting something that we don't like. A nation is always a nation, humans are always the humans. Thank you and stay updated for more videos. Thank you.
I am Indranil and I have already started boycotting Chinese products. What about you? Please comment below with your views. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and give a big thumb on the like button. Thank you.